flash flood warning for the following counties in Ohio: Cuyahoga and Summit. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Cuyahoga County in northeastern Ohio, northern Summit County in northeastern Ohio, until 12:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Akron, Cuyahoga Falls, Solon, Hudson, Twinsburg, Streetsboro, Macedonia, Stowe, Broadview Heights, Aurora, Brecksville, Fairlawn, Northfield, Richfield, Reminderville, Silver Lake, Boston Heights, Glendalough, Peninsula and Montrose, Kent. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 12:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday for the following counties in Ohio: Cuyahoga and Summit.